Good morning, students. Today we are going to learn more about interrogative sentences. As in our previous lecture, what we have learned कि how to make the sentence, simple sentence into negative sentence. Okay, I hope you all understood very well. Now today what we are going to do, interrogative sentences. As you know, a sentence that asks a question is called an interrogative sentence. कि जो सेंटेंस क्वेश्चन पूछता है वो इंट्रोगेटिव सेंटेंस होता है. वी पुट अ क्वेश्चन मार्क एट द एंड ऑफ एन इंट्रोगेटिव सेंटेंस. ओके, हमें इंट्रोगेटिव सेंटेंस के बाद क्या लगाना होता है? एंड में क्वेश्चन मार्क. कंपेयर द फॉलोइंग सेंटेंसेस. Here here they have written some simple sentences and here interrogative. Let's together we learn how to convert into interrogative sentence. I am right. Yesterday I told you that there is helping verb in sentence is, am, are, was, were, has, have, had, will and can. These all about the helping verb. I am right. Okay, this is कि मैं ठीक हूँ. ठीक है. Now here we can see क्या किया हमारा जो I am right, मैं ठीक हूँ, किसके बारे में बात हो रही है? मैं के बारे में. यानी कि मैं क्या है? सब्जेक्ट, जिसके बारे में बात हो रही है. ओके, I am right. अब यहाँ पे हम क्या करेंगे? जो हमारा हेल्पिंग वर्ब है उसको हम आगे लेकर के आएंगे सब्जेक्ट से बिफोर. वी हैव टू पुट आवर हेल्पिंग वर्ब बिफोर द सब्जेक्ट. एम आई राइट? एम आई राइट मीन्स वी आर आस्किंग क्वेश्चन. आई एम राइट, वी आर टेलिंग, वी आर स्टेटिंग टू समवन कि मैं ठीक हूँ. हेयर आई एम आस्किंग एम आई राइट? एम आई राइट. एम का ए कैपिटल हो जाएगा और फिर आई और फिर राइट, फिर क्वेश्चन मार्क. ओके, वी आर लेट. देन आर वी लेट? शी इज ओल्ड. इज शी ओल्ड? द साउंड वॉज क्लियर. किसके बारे में बात हो रही है? कि साउंड क्लियर था. जिसके बारे में बात हो रही है, आपने इस चीज़ को बहुत अच्छे से लर्न करना है कि सब्जेक्ट क्या होता है. सेंटेंस में सब्जेक्ट वो होता है जिसके बारे में हम बात करते हैं. द साउंड वॉज क्लियर. वॉज द साउंड क्लियर मीन्स ऐसा नहीं है कि हमने सिर्फ साउंड लिखना है, पूरा का पूरा ये हमारा एक सब्जेक्ट है. द साउंड. वॉज द साउंड क्लियर. His clothes were dirty. उसके कपड़े गंदे थे. उसके कपड़े, किसके बारे में बात हो रही है? उसके बारे में, उसके कपड़ों के बारे में. उसके कपड़े गंदे थे. His clothes were dirty. Were his clothes dirty? Because here we are talking about clothes. ज़्यादा हैं तो were. Were his clothes dirty? In the last we have to put question mark. You have a pen. Stating that you have a pen. आपके पास एक पेन है. Have you? Have you a pen? She had got a watch. उसको एक वॉच मिली. She had got a watch. Had she got a watch? क्या उसको एक वॉच मिली? Had she means when we are going to convert simple sentence into interrogative sentence, we have to put helping verb before subject in a sentence. Start with capital letter and then in the end we have to put the question mark. They have seen the Taj. Yesterday I told you one more thing कि जो वर्ब होती है वो टू और मोर वर्ड्स की भी हो सकती है. Here the verb is two words with two words. They have seen the Taj. Now what we have to do? We have to do the same thing that we learned yesterday कि जो सब्जेक्ट है वो दोनों के बीच में रहेगा. Have they seen? They have they seen? Have they seen the Taj? उन्होंने ताज देख लिया. He will leave early. Will he leave early? She can help me. Can she help me? Okay. The sentences on the left hand side make statement. Means this one. Okay. Statements. And the sentences on the right hand side, these are interrogative sentence, means they are asking questions. Now फॉर्मेशन ऑफ इंट्रोगेटिव सेंटेंसेस की जो भी हमने लर्न किया है हम उसको एक थॉरोली अब जो है रिवाइज करने जा रहे हैं. सेंटेंसेस ऑफ द टाइप, उस टाइप के सेंटेंसेस जिसमें एम हो, इज़ हो, वर हो. तो एम, इज़, वर एट्सेट्रा वी पुट बिफोर द सब्जेक्ट. हम सब्जेक्ट से पहले लगाते हैं इनको. लाइक वी हैव डन एम, are, is, was, were. Okay. Sentences of the type he has, you have, I had, has, have had before the subject in the same way. Okay. The verb is made up of two words like will leave, have seen, can help. This is, in this type of sentences, the first word before the subject, first word of the verb, it will be before the subject. Okay. I hope you got my all points. Okay. Now I have exercise with me. Okay. This is about the simple sentences. Now you have to watch this video and then you have to do what? You have to write these sentences into interrogative sentences. The meeting, MEETING, meeting is at 6 p.m. She has 2 sisters. He should believe you. The cow is a gentle animal. The telephone bell is ringing. Okay. Now I am not going to tell you the answers. You have to do your own and you have to write another 10 sentences of your choice, statement sentences, and then convert it into the interrogative sentences. Okay. But before doing that you have to watch this video 2 to 3 times. Okay. All the sentence related topic today we have done. Okay. And I hope you all are going to better understand it. Okay. For today that's all. Thank you. Have a nice day.